Hello folks, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It was a beautiful sunny day and I felt the urge to go outside and enjoy the sunshine rather than being cooped up indoors. So we went to Leeds Minster. It is located in Kirkgate, Leeds, West Yorkshire, England. It is well connected by all means of public transport, but we opted for a leisurely stroll for two compelling reasons. First is its proximity to my home, and second is the delightful weather, with the sun shining brightly. It was a 30-minute walk along the canal. To provide some clarity, a minster is a substantial and notable church constructed as a component of a monastery. The minster is open on all days from 11 am to 2 pm except Monday, and there is no entry fee. Leeds Minster stands on the site of the oldest church in the city and is of architectural and liturgical significance. Its origin dates back to the greatest of the Victorian vicars of Leeds, Dr. Hook. A church is recorded on the site as early as the 7th century, although the present structure was completed in 1841. It is dedicated to St. Peter and was the parish church of Leeds before receiving the honorific title of Minster in 2012. There are some essential sights to behold within the minster that should not be missed. This ancient and very rare cross dates from the 10th century and is probably the oldest surviving object from Leeds history. When the tower of the old church was taken down in 1838, stones from at least 6 similar crosses were found. This one was the most complete, although some stones were missing and needed to be recreated. This is the tomb of Dr. Hook, then the vicar of Leeds, who built this church in 1841. This area is called the sanctuary and depicts the 12 apostles with St. Paul's and Barnabas of Salviati of Venice. This is the most beautiful artwork in the church, stunningly depicted in mosaic and set in a marble arcade. It was installed in 1877. The stones were made in Venice and assembled in Leeds. Painted table tombs dating from the reign of Elizabeth I were once common, but this charming memorial is a rare survival. Thomas Hardwick, a successful lawyer, is depicted with his wife and children. A dancing skeleton on the right-hand panel is a reminder of mortality and the need to live a good life. This panel is just one example of the many colorful and fascinating windows in the church. This is the Lady Chapel. Mother Mary is the centerpiece of the richly colored altarpiece. a memorial to Captain Samuel Walker and Richard Pickett. These sons of two prominent Leeds families were killed during the Battle of Talavera in Spain in 1809. Thus, visiting Leeds Minster turned out to be an excellent choice, and I am glad we went. The experience was truly rewarding. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my content. See you soon.